Room for all your family and friends, plus any cargo they need to carry, power locks, power windows, and all the options you could need in a daily driver. Come in and see this deal for yourself, only at Team Toyota.